Can you say hi, Dada?
Hi, Dada.
What are you doing? Are you eating on a chicken bone?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you showing Dada?
Dada. Yeah. Mama. Mama.
Sam, can you say hi to your dad?
Mama.
Hi, Max.
Dada.
Yeah.
Mama, Dada.
Your Dada will be home in a couple days, right? Are we going to play?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say, Dada, I'm eating a chicken bone.
Dada.
Yeah.
Mama.
Can you blow kisses?